Mama Gloria, how are you?
I'm fine.
Is Gloria smiling?
Yes, I want to buy a dress for Gloria.
Where will you get the money from? The tooth is still there. Hmm?
I come from in Chivari. I have some money here.
You have some money?
Yes,
Where is it?
it's here.
It is, hey, where is the money? Oh, you have some money.
Yes,
So what do you want to buy?
a dress.
Where did you get the money from?
Jaja gave me these ones.
Hey, okay. And where did you get the rest from?
In Chivari.
In Chibale.
Yes,
Who gave you money in Chibale?
it's Madam Ajuka.
Madam Ijuka gave you money in Chibale.
Yes,
Now, we don't have books. Let us use money to buy the books.
this one is buy a book.
Which one will buy the books?
This one.
This one will buy the books.
Yes,
So the other one, how about that one?
is buy a dress.
So that one buys the dress.
Yes,
But we don't have books, we don't have shoes, we don't have black shoes, we don't have pencils. So, what
yes.
do we do?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes.
Okay. So, but you want to buy the dress for,
Gloria.
you want to buy a dress for Gloria.
Yes.
So let us see. Let us divide the money and see which one buys the dress and which one buys the books and then. Mhm. So what do we do now?